Exciting news for Xiaomi fans. Lei Jun, the founder and CEO of Xiaomi, has announced that the company will launch the Mix Fold 4 and Mix Flip foldables this month. These phones will be the first devices to be produced at the new Xiaomi Smart Factory in Changping, Beijing. The state-of-the-art facility spans 81,000 square m and has the capacity to produce 10 million flagship phones per year. Xiaomi invested CNY 2.4 billion, about $330 million in the factory, which features an intelligent manufacturing platform that can make independent decisions and execute them to improve processes. This includes diagnosing equipment issues and making automated purchases of raw materials and components. With only 3.5 weeks left in the month, we should start seeing teasers for the new Mix Fold 4, which is rumored to be going global. It's unclear whether the Mix Flip, Xiaomi's first clamshell foldable, will also be available globally. Stay tuned for more updates.